Hello and welcome to this edition of Fact or Fiction, the show that sheds light on the hottest IT solution trends and separates the reality from the hype. In this episode, we're going to tackle the topic of hybrid cloud, and specifically, connecting hybrid environments. Fact or fiction? Over the next 5 years, integrating multiple cloud environments will pose the biggest challenge for data center administrators.
Fact. I believe that there is a few challenges that exist with cloud. Let me talk about two of those. One, I believe that we still have a challenge around where is our cloud consumption coming from? Have we figured out shadow IT? Have we figured out the consumption of cloud in our different lines of businesses? And two, from a more IT-centric point of view, when we think about connecting clouds and we think about price structures, I think there's some challenges there. Let me give you an example. If I were to go to store A and look for an apple peeler that's for sale for $4.99, and store B, that same apple peeler is there for $3.99, where am I most likely to buy that apple peeler? Exactly, at that store for $3.99. As we start to see these cloud providers create price conflict or challenge or opportunity with cloud consumption, I think that connecting clouds and interconnecting clouds becomes one of the biggest challenges for any IT organization.
Fact. You actually saw this earlier in the year when several cloud hosting providers were taken down through a variety of events. And you saw companies that were only hosting with one of them lose a large percentage of their web presence for many hours or in some cases even a day. I think the challenge of not so much hybrid cloud but multi-cloud. How do I handle load balancing, as an example, across an on-prem data center, across Amazon, across Azure, as Google comes into the mix more? How do I make sure that my application delivery is seamless, even if I'm not just residing in an on-prem and a single cloud environment, but on-prem and multi-cloud? That challenge is different than what we've dealt with in the past, and you're seeing technologies begin to address that, and I think that will absolutely be an ongoing challenge for at least the next 5 years.
So stay ahead of what's ahead. Learn more from our IT experts or chat with them directly about this and other tech trends. Just complete the forms on YouTube or follow us on Facebook or LinkedIn.